it's me Bhavya. Today we'll be learning Geography by Brothers Education, grade 6. Let's learn lesson number 1, Mapping the Earth. Introduction. The Earth is a sphere, rather like a ball, but flattened at the poles. The most accurate model of the Earth is a globe. However, the earliest maps were drawn on a flat surface because people then thought that the Earth was flat, with sides and corners. The Earth is not a ball. A ball is like fully circle, whereas a sphere is flat at the poles. The Earth is flat at the poles. In the olden days, people drew the Earth, the map, in sides and corners, using sides and corners. Why? Because then they thought the Earth was flat. The word map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means cloth, as many of the earliest maps were drawn on skins, parchment and cloth. The word map that we use in modern word map is coming from a Latin word mappa. A parchment paper is a special type of paper that was used. Nowadays, we are using for baking and cooking, but in the olden days, they used to draw and write on them. The most famous ancient maps of the world were made in the 2nd century AD by a Greek scholar, Chaldeus Ptolemy. He based his drawings on mathematical calculation along with information provided by sailors and explorers. So the most ancient and the famous map was made in 2nd century AD by a Greek scholar. He did all his drawings, every map he made, he used mathematical calculations. And he got information provided by sailors and explorers is nothing but like people are when trading, they're going from one country to another country. So while they're going, they'll say in the water is going, I saw fish, I saw. They didn't know that much knowledge. Whatever they saw, whatever they experienced, they'll come, he'll ask what was the experience, what was everything. He'll ask, and whatever the information they give, he used to keep the information and draw the map. A map gives information about the Earth's surface in a simple and graphical manner and helps understand where we are in relation to other people and places. Now, map is something, but in nowadays we are having like a lot of online maps. Even nowadays we can like locate our house in the middle of a big globe in our phones. We are sitting in our house doing nothing, taking our phone, going into the maps app and just marking our home. But in the olden days they had maps. They had to search their home. Like they were written in very small like this. Like this. They were written in very small digit that we can't even see and understand them. I'll tell you more about this. I'll keep it like in the link down below and give you more examples. Be sure to understand them and really understand them and also try to go through them and try to read them. They were so small that they had to search and mark their houses. Nowadays and all, we are using our phones and our digital. Everything is digital tech nowadays. But the map on the olden days was made by paper. A map is still preferred to be a globe because a flat map can show large areas on a single piece of paper, making it easy to compare cities, countries and other places. Also, a map can be rolled and folded and stored or carried around easily. A map is still better than a globe because a globe is bulky and really big. You can't just hold its handle and go all around. A map is like a paper that you can just fold the paper and keep in your pocket or a small suitcase. So it is easier and more compact than the globe that we're using in the modern days now. A map is flat, symbolic representation of the earth or a part of the earth's surface. A map is nothing but a symbolic representation. Now we are drawing a map. We'll draw the earth or the countries. We'll draw Asia, all the continents, and we'll mark the countries, everything, right? Like that only in a map, a flat piece of paper. You're drawing all the continents. You're marking each continent, each city, each country. Nowadays and all, like we are getting maps like world map, international map, national map, lot of map, political, physical, lot of maps are nowadays. We can just go through them and just by opening a book, we can see where our countries or where our city is. The oldest map is known more than 4,000 years old. It was made in 2300 BC and was dug up in Iran. It was scratched on a clay tablet, then baked. The oldest maps known till today is found in Iran. It is 4,000 years old. It is made from a clay tablet. Clay tablet, in the olden days, they used to take the mud or the clay from the soil and they used to bake it and draw or write. Even the letters then were not of paper, they were of clay palettes. They used to write them, bake them and send them away. Like that, a person or the oldest maps known for today is this map that is made from clay tablet. The science of making map is known as cartography. A cartographer is a person who draws maps. So the science, like a person now, Claudius Ptolemy drew the map, right? Who is he? He's a cartographer because the person who makes maps is known as cartographer. And the science is nothing but a art of learning, a subject. Just imagine its skill. The art of making maps is known as cartography. This is all for today. Whatever I explained to you, I'll keep it in the comment section. Go through it. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. From today onwards, I'll be posting all my videos at 7 p.m. in the evening and a few about the day. What is the special of the day? In the morning, 7 a.m. between 7 a.m. So stay tuned and comment down below if you have any doubts. I'll be sure to clear them. Bye all. Thank you.